Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful email signature into your Gmail account. I was going to say G Drive, no, Gmail account. So make sure you're already logged into your Gmail account, and then you're going to want to, let's see if I can do this. I want to share, but I want to share a certain part. Let's see. Because I have a million emails. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. New share, advanced portion. Yeah. And let's go to way over here. Okay. Really small section. So how I got to this area was how I got to this, my phone fell. So how I got to this area was you just want to click this settings. So on settings. I don't know whether to call this a little cog or a dial or just, I really don't know what to call it. Every time I make one of these tutorials, I'm like, click the cog, click the little thing. I have no clue what it's called. Okay. So you're going to bypass the quick settings and just click all settings. And then I'll make this bigger again. Okay, here we go. Get started. Oh, here it is. The mouse would be nice, right? So where you can see the full screen. All right, there it is. And let me make sure I'm sharing the right part. Okay. So here we're going to go all the way down to where it says signature. It might look different based on the version of Safari or Chrome you're using, if you're on the desktop, if you're on the phone, but literally scroll all the way down. As you can see, I added my picture there, signature here. You're going to click this edit signature name. You can have different ones for different occasions. I just call mine signature. And then you're going to actually click this box. Or here, we can go to create new. And we're just going to say test signature. We're going to click create. As you can see, it's completely blank. I wish I could make this bigger, but you're going to click the insert image. And just for this example, if you have it inside, like let's say you're setting this up for a client. So this example, I'll go to hers and then I can click which signature I want. She liked this one. I'll click select. And then you see everything's there. Now what you can do is to take it to the next level, you can add, you can make it smaller. So it's original size, make it large, medium, small, whatever you want to do. You can actually add a link. So this is the tricky part that trips people up, but you want to make sure the whole thing's selected and then click link and then link it to your site. So the courageousboom.com. And oops, my bad. And we're actually going to leave this blank and we're going to click OK. So now if we were to go, it's actually going to go to her website. So we don't want to keep that there. So we'll X out of this, but you can have as many different email signatures as you want. So that's literally how you add an email signature. So there is more options. You can remove formatting, make it a quote, put some indents. You can actually type on top of it. Like if you've seen like some people's email signatures, how they have like a book a consultation now text or something like that. If you want that, for example, book a consultation today, and then you could have the consultation link and then click this and then say, you know, your website and click OK. And you could bold this if you wanted to so that people know. And then you don't have to type it in every time. It'll just say, book a consultation or follow me on Facebook, whatever you're trying to promote in your email signature. And then when you're done with all this, you'll go down to save changes and that will be done. But since I don't want it to say book a consultation today, I'll just take this off. Okay, so I'll just leave that. So as you can see on my email signature, I already have the link to my website. So that's how you add your email signature. Let me know what tutorials you'd like to see next. I also have a tutorial about how to use Google Drive. So that'll be uploading soon. So thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day.